Assailed. Meaning, attack strongly, physically or verbally. Synonyms: attack, criticize, assault, bombard. Example: the minister was assailed with tough questions from reporters. Rhetoric. Meaning, impressive or persuasive language that may not always be sincere. Synonyms: oratory, eloquence, bombast. Example: his speech was full of political rhetoric. Creeping. Meaning, happening slowly and steadily, often unnoticed. Synonyms: slowly increasing, gradual, stealthy. Example: a creeping fear started spreading in the village. Delusional. Meaning, having false beliefs, not able to see reality. Synonyms: unrealistic, irrational, paranoid. Example: he was delusional to think everyone was plotting against him. Cease. Meaning, to stop or come to an end. Synonyms: stop, halt, end, discontinue. Example: the fighting finally ceased after the peace deal. Inclination. Meaning, a natural tendency or desire to do something. Synonyms: tendency, preference, desire. Example: she had an inclination to help people in need. Strive. Meaning, to make a great effort to achieve something. Synonyms: try, struggle, aim, endeavor. Example: we must strive for excellence every day. Narcissistic. Meaning, being excessively self-centered or in love with oneself. Synonyms: self-obsessed, egotistical, vain. Example: his narcissistic behavior pushed people away. Bare-knuckle. Meaning, without any protection, very tough or aggressive. Synonyms: brutal, aggressive, fierce. Example: the debate turned into a bare-knuckle fight. Fissures. Meaning, deep cracks or divisions. Synonyms: cracks, splits, gaps. Example: political fissures were visible within the party. Instigate. Meaning, to cause something to happen, to provoke, or start trouble. Synonyms: provoke, incite, trigger. Example: they accused him of instigating the violence. Hegemonic. Meaning, dominant or controlling, having leadership over others. Synonyms: dominant, controlling, leading. Example: the country maintained its hegemonic influence in the region. Rift. Meaning, a serious break or separation, in relationships or groups. Synonyms: split, divide, conflict. Example: a rift developed between the two friends. Sublet. Meaning, to rent a property to someone else while already being a tenant. Synonyms: re-rent, lease out. Example: he sublet his apartment while he was abroad. Appeasement. Meaning, giving concessions to avoid conflict. Synonyms: conciliation, compromise, pacification. Example: the policy was criticized as an act of appeasement. Quipped. Meaning, said something witty or humorous. Synonyms: joked, remarked, wisecracked. Example: at least we survived. He quipped. Ravaged. Meaning, severely damaged or destroyed. Synonyms: devastated, ruined, wrecked. Example: the town was ravaged by the storm.